Here we are. Right side.
Oh my god, they calm.
Yes, Jessica, they do call. With the lasers everywhere and slow-mo and dramatic choral music.
Don't forget the explosion.
Don't worry, we won't.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Umar, you are in this class? Who has joined? Who is Dark Ninja? Whose name is Dark Ninja in Google Classroom? Anybody knows? No? Okay, let everybody join.
All big players, full attack.
So, should we say goodbye now? We hit it with all we've got.
Sir Rizwani?
मैंने नाम चेंज किया ना इनोवेटिव लिब्रनी कंफ्यूज हो जाए ना
हेलो
Hello.
मैम व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे
Today we'll be doing, we have done addition. We'll be doing subtraction, large number subtraction. Okay?
ओके मैम
Okay, who is Rukhsar Rizwani? Please tell me your name.
Yeah, here is one. Sorry.
Okay, yeah. Okay, please write your names. Then I'm not able to recognize who is there. Okay, so let us start with our class. I just wanted to speak to you all. Everyone has not come? As guardian Abdullah. Okay, this is Abdullah Patel, right? The video is off. Yeah. Okay. So.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So I gave you assignment. Have you checked assignment, all of you? The additions assignment. I found some of you have submitted the assignment also. But many of you are not submitting assignments. Like earlier assignments also you have not submitted. See the question will give you practice. Okay. Please practice. You won't be able to understand in a better way. Okay, you will tend to forget the rules. So that is why you should always do practice. Do some questions, 2-3 questions, whatever I give you in assignment, do it.
Ma'am, I did.
Ma'am, I did all assignment. Just that one is left. Addition.
Oh, see, I have written name. Dark Ninja. Who is Dark Ninja? Whose name is Dark Ninja and Blazing Usman? Okay, your name is Dark Ninja. I was not able to understand. See, some of you have till now have not submitted single assignment also. Abdullah Patel, Usman, Batul and Umar. So are you facing any problem in submitting assignment?
Ma'am, I have submitted on the right group because at that time it wasn't the question was not on the maths. The first assignment that I submitted was on the right group because the maths
Okay,
Google
but
Classroom
I'm
didn't
there
come.
in the right group, na, so I could not check it. It's okay. Next time onwards, you just submit on the Google Classroom.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my is just that one addition worksheet left.
Addition is left, but I didn't find anyone. Just send me so that, and please inform me that, ma'am, I have sent it. So that
Ma'am, I have sent it. Ma'am, you gave us thumbs up also. Ma'am, I have also sent it.
I have seen your assignment. I have replied also, na?
Ma'am, I have
Those
sent it. My assignment.
Those assignment which I am.
Ma'am, actually, I am facing a problem to do docs in mobile because it is too hard to write. So I just wrote the questions in the paper itself and just took a photo, add
Yes,
attachment,
I
and
also did the same, and I uploaded it on that ma'am, not on the Google Classroom of the maths in the right group.
Okay, so I'm not there.
Ma'am,
See, you just.
ma'am, I want to say something.
What is there? Okay, yeah.
I was absent that day.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to say something. Ma'am, in mobile.
Batul and Umar, any other problem is there in submitting the assignment? Umar is not. Yeah, yeah, Umar.
Ma'am, that we can send only the answer.
Ma'am,
Did you got my assignment?
Write the question also and then write the answer, because then I won't be able to.
Ma'am, only my 2 are left.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Shruti ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, tell me,
Ma'am, actually, I am facing a big problem doing docs in mobile. So I added an attachment, took a photo, and wrote the question in the paper itself so that you can check.
That is
Ma'am,
fine.
I am facing a difficulty to do in.
Okay. I just want to see that you have done it and you have done it correctly or not.
Ma'am,
Okay.
did you see my?
Ma'am, did you see mine?
Area, I have seen your also. And who else have sent? I have
Ma'am,
sent.
did you see mine? Ma'am, did you see mine?
Yes, I think you sent it today only, na? Today or yesterday you sent. So
I sent it today in the morning.
Ma'am,
did you see mine?
okay. So those who have not completed, just complete it and send it back. Okay. And just keep on revising. Next week we'll have revision of whatever we have done, because there will be assessment for maths also. So just whatever topics we have done, we'll just revise in the next week. Okay, or maybe on Saturday. Yeah.
Ma'am, you got my assignment?
Hamza,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
asking? Yeah, Hamza, I got your assignment also. Everybody's assignment I am getting. I didn't get Abdullah, so Abdullah just sent it on Google Classroom, because I have not got your any assignment. Okay, so just check and just message me that you have.
Ma'am, my all maths assignment are on the right group, ma'am. It is very above because I sent it very before that.
Addition one also you have done.
No, addition is left. I told you. Addition worksheet is left.
Addition one you sent me. So then I'll check whether whether I'm receiving your assignment or not. Okay.
Yes,
Batul, any problem is there in assignment? Batul has not joined yet. Okay. Batul has joined?
Ma'am,
No.
did you get my assignment?
Yes. All assignments I have got.
On Saturday, when you will explain, so can you explain that round off to the thousands one again?
Okay, fine. Everyone want this revision of rounding off? Do you want the revision of rounding off? Just show me.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking very much and coming very slow.
Okay, let me put this. Now it is fine.
Yes.
Now it is fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, now it is fine.
Okay, so I'll share the screen. Today we'll do subtraction and
Yes, ma'am, you told we will do this puzzle again.
yeah.
Did you prepare one?
Yeah, I have found some more also. Okay, this we did last class, na? I think we had we didn't do it correctly. Okay, So we'll do it once again.
Why, ma'am, we didn't do it correctly?
I think you gave me, what was the answer you gave?
9.
We forgot.
No, 9 is not.
It
How
is
many
2.
squares are there?
25.
This-
I'm 25.
It's more than 25.
हाँ मैम, I understood. This small squares के बाजू में जो बड़ा square है ना, that will not
See,
be counted.
I'll tell you. No,
Because
all
they are
will be
only
counted.
half.
Ma'am,
29,
11
ma'am.
squares.
29.
More than 29.
11.
I'll show you how it is there. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is fine. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and then 26. Okay, then this one, 27, then this one, 28, and then this one, 29. Then this one, 30. Then this one, 31, and then 32. Same way, 33, 34, 35. Then what else is there?
36, the big one.
36.
The big one is 36. Some more is left. This one. See, which one is left? 30. This one. See, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So there are.
that.
No, we did just till 30 squares now. So this was, now similar question I am giving you. Now you find the answer next. Okay, first one, it is a simple one. Aisha Kazi, can you answer how many number of rectangles are there?
Yes.
Yeah, count it.
3.
1, 2, and 3. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Abdullah?
2. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am,
4.
1, 2, 3.
4.
4, the bigger one.
4, ma'am.
This is also,
Ma'am, 4.
this one is also there. Anyone
Ma'am,
else? Area? How
actually-
many are there?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am.
Yeah? Yeah,
Ma'am.
Aisha?
Ma'am, 5.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Aisha.
In the
Five.
first puzzle,
Yeah,
in the
Ishita.
first puzzle, there's one big triangle, and then below that there are 2 squares. They're not triangles,
No,
rectangles.
they are rectangles only. This is not square. This is also rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, and then this one 4. Okay, and this bigger one is 5. Okay. Okay, Aisha Aga, how many rectangles in this?
Your me time, okay, with your friends.
4.
7.
Yes, who gave 7?
Me.
Yeah, Abdullah.
Abdullah.
Yes, how it is 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. This whole 5.
5.
Then this top one 6, and the
Six.
bigger one is 7.
Seven.
So the answer is 7.
Seven.
Okay. Next one. Who will answer next one? Usman.
And can I answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Everyone prepare your answer. I'll ask everyone. Okay. Because
Yeah, don't.
yeah. You can also be ready with your answer.
Ma'am, yeah,
okay?
is acting like me.
13.
13. Okay.
More than 13.
Anybody
More
else?
than 13. Ma'am, more than 13.
More than 13. How much? You have to say that. Muhammadi, can you answer? How many rectangles are there?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mom, there is 9.
10.
More than 9.
There's 8. 15.
9, 10,
It's more than
12.
I'm 15.
It's 12.
Abdullah Saqib. How many are there?
It's 12. It's 12.
It's 12. It's 12.
Sorry, Mohammed Saqib. How many are
Yeah,
there?
don't
Ma'am,
I'm 15.
ma'am, there is no Abdullah Saqib.
I know Mohammed Saqib. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, it is 13.
13.
15.
Okay, let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many are there?
17.
17.
No, it's more than that. We have written 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then 17. I think it should be 17 only, na? Or I'm missing something.
Ma'am, inside the
Yeah.
small box. Ma'am, inside the small
This we have counted now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17.
Vertically, ma'am, what horizontally? It is not.
All we have taken.
It is not rectangle horizontally. The small one. See, no, ma'am, it looks like a square.
Yeah, it looks like a square. See, the question is square plus rectangle. Both you have to count. Okay. All shapes.
Ma'am, I got 22.
22. How you got? Explain.
In the middle, the small boxes are also like we have to join.
Yeah, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then last one is 9. Okay. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, and the last one is 18, bigger one. Correct? 18 we are getting
Coming
now.
22. How come it is coming 22?
You're getting 22?
Matlab, how come it in the computer it is showing 20? Ma'am, actually,
No, that-
in the inside one you counted one more time. The small, like this one.
Okay, one more time. Okay, just
It will be
Next.
17 only.
Ma'am,
it
see,
will be, baby,
Ma'am,
it will be 17.
the small
Computer is
squares are 4.
No, it's
then,
not wrong. I have written this. Okay.
How, ma'am?
No, maybe I have repeated it. Just check it. In the next class, we'll discuss this again. Huh? Just draw it and find it out how many squares are there. I might be wrong. Okay. So it is 17 or 22 you have to find. Is it clear? Fine.
Ma'am, wait a second. Wait.
Square or rectangle? Anything.
Ma'am,
is
the question marks looks so funny. The question marks.
Ah.
Ma'am, where do you get the images?
I take it from Google only.
But
Ma'am,
ma'am,
it's
we are not
18.
being-
you give more questions?
Okay, I'm giving you more. Can I go to the next slide now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Humaira, can you count this number of triangles over here?
Ma'am, it is very easy.
Just count and tell me the answer. Anas, how many triangles are here?
Ma'am, 6.
It is more than 6. Count
Ma'am,
it.
10. It's 10. It's 10.
10.
It's 10.
7.
It's 10. It's 10.
1, 2, 3. It's more than I am getting 11. Check it.
Ma'am. This one also.
Ma'am, I
Yeah,
got
it's
11.
It's
Ma'am, I
11.
got
11.
11.
Aisha Kazi, how many triangles you got?
I'm counting. The upper
Area,
one, the sides
how many
are
can you
1,
count?
2, 3, and then the whole is 4. And then
Ma'am,
there's
I got
5. And then
Umar,
there's
how
6.
many you got?
And then there's 7.
11,
And then there's
yes.
8. And then there's
Abdullah, how
9.
many you got?
10, ma'am.
10.
10 you are getting?
And 10. I got 10, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 11.
Hamdan, how many you got?
Ma'am, I'm only getting 7.
You are getting 7. Okay, let us count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then this whole is 6. This whole is 7. This whole is 8. Then this is 9. This is 10. Okay. And this whole top
Ma'am, you
is
did this
11.
2 times. Ma'am, you did this 2 times.
Okay, let me write and
Yes,
count.
ma'am. The whole top you did it.
Ma'am, take pen. Take pen. And
Okay, I'm taking pen. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. Then this 2 triangles together is 4. Fine.
Ma'am, I think it's 10.
Then this 2
Ma'am,
together is
it's 10.
5. Okay, let us see. 5. Okay, then this is 6. This is 7. Then we have this whole triangle as 8. And this whole triangle as 9. This middle triangle as 10. Okay. Then this whole top triangle is 11. I have not taken this whole top triangle. This whole, all
Yes.
the together. So total is 11. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay, now count this much. This is little complex, huh? How many squares are there? So you don't have to count the rectangles. You have to count the squares.
So 1, and then
Count it first.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Everyone mute. And
Everyone
then
please
count.
mute, huh? Because
Ma'am,
others are
I'm
getting
getting
disturbed.
11. I am getting
11.
10.
It's greater than 10.
11.
Ma'am, 20.
Ma'am, 11.
20 you are getting. How many? Hamdan, how many you got? Muhammad, Saqib, how many you got? Humaira?
Ma'am, I got 11.
Ma'am, I got 10.
10.
Sorry, 11.
Okay, let us count. This is 1.
Wait.
Okay, 3. This whole one is 4. This whole one is 5. This middle one is 6. 15. Okay, let us check. This is 6. Then this is 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11.
17.
11. Then this whole is 12. This whole is 13. And this smaller one is 14. Then this is 15. And this bigger one is 16. I am getting 16. How come you are getting 17?
16.
Abdullah, how many you got?
Yes. हाँ.
Yeah, Humaira ka
Have you
tell me.
counted that very small square with 4 friends inside that the full thing?
This one, yeah, smaller one is there. So 4 we have counted.
Yeah, that the smaller.
This is smaller one, 1. Then this whole one is 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Then you have middle one, 15. And outer one is 16.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
17,
Humaira.
ma'am. Ma'am,
These are so
17.
complicated.
Ma'am, 17. See?
It is 16 only. How come 17? You are counting it 2 times.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, Abdullah.
Ma'am, I got 10.
Yeah, Ibrahim. What is going on? What is 11, 17? Abdullah and Ibrahim. What is going on in chat? Have you counted, Abdullah? How many you got?
10,
Ma'am, I got 11.
It is 17. It is 16.
Ma'am, I
sorry.
told. Ma'am, I told 17. Ma'am, it is 17, ma'am.
Oh, it is 16 only. Yeah, you are getting 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how come it is 16?
Middle one
It is
के नीचे
11?
भी. Ma'am, you
Where
are
one?
counting the upper one ना, उसके बाद नीचे वाला भी count करो, ma'am.
This is not
From
a
that
square.
line. From that line.
These two are rectangles.
Ma'am, can you give that? I mean, 2 right? I will show you. I can show you.
Okay. Just a moment. I'll
Ma'am, the number I am
Okay,
not
now
sending
show.
is 11, 17.
I'll
See,
erase.
ma'am.
I don't know how it is.
No, ma'am, don't erase. अच्छा, ये
I
देखो
did
last
now.
one.
Ma'am,
Which one you are
somebody is putting
This one.
This we have already counted. This one,
No,
this one
ma'am,
we have
That's
counted.
Muhammad the legend. He's typing from your name and writing 11, 17, 11, 17.
Is it? How can this be possible?
See, ma'am, from Muhammad the Legend to everyone, from Asgardian Abdullah to everyone. He's typing Abdullah's name, but it is coming from Muhammad the Legend.
Yeah, cheater.
That's the main point. Muhammad the Legend,
Yes,
don't
yes.
cheat with him.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Muhammad,
anyone,
Muhammad, who is it? Muhammad Saqib.
Saqib.
Please don't do this. Pay attention over here. Okay,
Ma'am,
we'll check it.
ma'am, someone is doing double of mine, so it is going up.
Okay. Okay, so let us move to the
Here.
next.
Here, the down one.
Okay. Okay, so let us move to the
Ma'am,
next.
Blazing Usman is doing Abdullah's name 1179.
Okay, now tell me.
Blazing
What is the
Usman
problem?
and Muhammad Saqib are doing this.
Okay,
Yes,
now I'm going to
I
ask
got
the
them.
question.
I'm the
You need to answer it and write it on the slide. Okay, I'm going to now give you some more questions. Okay, so let us do this. We have already done. Okay, now subtraction of numbers, subtraction of large numbers, you already know how to subtract. When you have to take out something from total amount, that is called as subtraction, okay? So when you go to a shop and you pay, suppose you are buying something of 60 rupees and you have 100 rupees. So what do? You give 100 rupees and you subtract 100 minus 60 and the shopkeeper returns you 40 rupees back. So there you are subtracting, okay? And when you are adding, can you give me an
To
example?
ask you something.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, in word problems, if we directly know the answer, so we need to show the method or just we have to write the answer.
You have to show the method. Like if 2-3 steps are required, how do you know?
Like
You
we have to write the
subtract.
statements. You meant to say like we have to write the statements and then we have to show
Yes.
the main method and then we have to write the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, you should write the statement. 2 statements are there or maximum 3 statements are there.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
we'll be doing word problems also. I'll explain you how to do. First, you write total this much. How much is lost? This much. So total amount remaining is first one minus second one is equal to the answer. Okay. So first, let us see how we do subtraction of large numbers. Always suppose it is written subtract this from this. So which number you are going to write
big
on the
number.
top?
We are
Big
going
number.
to
The bigger
big
number should be on the top
We
and the
can't
smaller
subtract
number,
from smaller number.
you can't subtract from smaller number. Larger number cannot be subtracted. Like you cannot subtract 100 from 50 rupees. Okay. So you should subtract 50 from 100 rupees. So you have to write the bigger number. From is written. So bigger number on the top and smaller number at the bottom. Then what we check, we start from the unit place. Now in the unit place, you see 9 is bigger than 2. So easily subtracted, you will get 7. Now 7 is bigger than 5, you will get 2. Now when 5 is smaller than 6, you cannot subtract it.
5
Now
will
what you will
borrow
do?
from 4 and
So you will borrow from
5
4.
will become 15 and
Very
15
good.
minus 6 is 9.
9. Now again here it is 3 now. But 3 you cannot subtract 8 from 3. So you will again borrow
Carry forward.
From
13
6
minus
and
8
it will become 13, 5.
minus, yes. Then again
Now
now
6 minus
5.
7 does not, 5 does not.
5 minus 7 doesn't go. So you have to borrow 1 from here.
From-
So that is 15 minus 7 is 8. Now here it
8.
is 2. So again
12 minus 4
is
is equals to 8.
4. Yeah, and this way it continues. So this way you have to subtract. Same, one more question you can see and then you will do on your own. Again here you can see 0. So 0 you will borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 9 is 1. Again here 11 minus 9 is 2. Then 5 you cannot subtract 7. So you will borrow from 5. It will become 15 minus 7 is 8. And then here it is 4. 4 minus 6 is also not possible. So you will borrow. Now here it is 0. So what you will do? 0
So
cannot
first 0 will take from 2.
from 2
And then, yeah, 2 will become 1 and then
and this will become 10.
0 will be 10. But 5
10.
is
Very good.
5 is borrowing from
From 10.
10, so then it will become 9.
9. Yeah. Okay, so this and this way you proceed. Also, there is one more method.
Can I do the next method?
Okay,
Ma'am,
I'll just
Ma'am,
let me explain,
in
yeah.
borrow, in the subtraction, sometimes carry on also comes.
No, carry on is not there in subtraction. Always borrow is there. Okay. See, one more method is there. Like 5 is there. 0, you cannot borrow from 0. So you just take 20. And from 20, if you borrow 1, what will be the answer? 19. So you get 19 over here and you take 1 over here and you get 14. Is it clear? This is another method to borrow if you have 0 in the neighbor. Like, let us do some more questions. Like here you see this question, 600 minus 274. Now 4 you cannot subtract from 0. So what we do, and next also is 0. So this is 600. So from 600 you just borrow 1 over here. Sorry, 60. So from 60 you will borrow 1 over here. So here you get 10 and 60 becomes 59. Got it? 60 becomes 49. Hamdan, are you saying something? I can't hear Hamdan. I think your mic is not working. Just log out and log in.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, it's Venus. Ma'am, it's Venus.
What
What is Venus, ma'am?
What is Venus? Who is saying this? I don't understand. What is Venus?
It's some baby's voice, ma'am.
I know craters. I know.
Okay. Okay, someone's brother or sister is there.
Ma'am, my brother.
Whose
He's
brother?
having his.
Aisha Ghazi.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
He's
okay.
sitting
Okay,
and he's having his class.
okay, fine. Acha, acha. Okay. Okay. So this
Can
is
you hear me
60.
now?
Yes. Now it is fine. Yeah. So what we do, 0 you cannot subtract. So neighbor is 60 because 0 is there. You just take 60 and take 1 from 60. So if you remove 1 from 60, you get 59 over here and 10 over here. Okay. Is it clear, this method? Is it clear to everyone? And then you subtract. Here also see 8,000 minus 3644. Now what I want to borrow 1. So 800 ko I will remove 1 from 800. It becomes 799. And then here it becomes 10. Is it clear, everyone? And then you can subtract. Is it clear how to subtract across zeros? Because zero subtraction, usually children make mistake in subtractions with 0. Okay, in borrowing. Okay, so let us start doing this question. First question.
Can I do, ma'am?
Do it in your notebook.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, please, can we answer?
Yeah, Aisha. Yeah, Aisha Aga.
You tell them to do in the notebook because then they scream the answer and then I don't get to do.
No.
Yeah.
Just do it in the notebook, everyone. I don't want answer. I will ask answer after 1 minute when you finish this question. Okay? So I'm going to call everyone's name.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
Yes, write down the question in the notebook. And if you get the answer, you give me the answer. I'll ask you, then you give me the answer. Okay? Humaira Qasim, just do this subtraction. Yeah, Humaira, are you doing it? 18000. What you will do? You want borrow from here. So 18,000 may say 1 you will take. So what it becomes? 17999. And here it will be 10.
1799.
Yes, and here it will be 10. Now then you subtract. No, I'm not telling the answer. You give me the answer. I will just tell you answer is correct or wrong. Anybody has completed? Umar, have you completed?
Completed.
Yeah. Umar,
Then
have you
the answer is
completed?
17437.
Yes. Who is giving me
Ma'am,
the
is the
answer?
answer correct?
Tell me who is giving me the answer.
17437. Mohammed Saqib.
Mohammed Saqib. Is it 17?
17437.
No, check it again. Juveria, did you get the
Ma'am,
answer?
we have to do the 18001, na?
Yes, 180000. What is the answer? How many zeros are there?
Double
4
one.
zeros.
Double
Yes.
17437.
117437.
Double
117437.
17437.
Yes, this is the answer. 117437. Anyone who has not got the answer?
117437.
Ma'am, I have got.
Aisha Kazi, did you get the answer?
Yes.
Aisha Aga, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, just a second. I have writing.
Yeah, do it. Those who have done the first question, do the second question. Shiveria, did you get the first answer?
We will take one. Ma'am, we will take
In the notebook, or we can even write it in the chat.
Ma'am,
Write
I
it in
want
the
to ask
notebook.
you
Give
something.
me the answer.
Ma'am, I want to ask. We will take
The next answer.
take one from 8 or 1.
Ma'am, can
You
I
have
tell
to
the
borrow
answer?
from 70. Okay? So
Ma'am.
यहाँ पे 10
We
and
will
यहाँ पे
take-
69.
No,
Ma'am, can I tell the next answer?
For the first question.
117.
We have to take from the 8.
117437. 117437.
Yes, correct answer.
Ma'am, can I tell the second answer?
Wait. Who is telling me the second answer? Tell me
Mohammed
your name.
Saqib, ma'am.
Ma'am Abdullah, ma'am. Done. Second
Ma'am,
answer.
Mohammed Saqib.
Okay.
46019.
One by one.
45919. 45919.
Okay, Abdullah, this is the correct answer. 45919. Mohammed Saqib, you are getting wrong answer. Just check your calculation.
Ma'am, the first one is 1164.
45919.
Just everyone, please mute yourself. One by one, give me the answer. Humaira,
Ma'am,
did you get the answer?
The first one answer is 1174.
45919. 45919.
Hamza,
Ma'am, can you mute
What you are
everybody?
doing?
There is a lot of background noise.
Okay, just a minute.
Ma'am, what is 45919?
Mute everybody, ma'am.
And what is the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, third one is 20216.
Yes, third one is correct.
The answer of the first one is 117437.
117437. First question.
Ma'am, all three
Correct
done.
answer, ma'am. Correct
Yes.
answer.
Yes,
Yay.
correct answer.
Ma'am, all three done.
Ma'am, the answer is
120216. 12026. 1200216.
The third
That is
answer
wrong
is
answer.
20216.
20216. The third answer.
Third
Ma'am, I
answer
want
is
to ask you
20216.
something.
20216.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
I want to ask you something.
Yes,
in-
Ibrahim.
Ma'am, see, in the first one, I got the correct answer, but I had a doubt that if we
Okay.
have to borrow, so we have to take one number from the last place or the eight one.
You have to borrow from, see, I have to borrow here. I am 0 and I have to borrow from left hand side. Left hand side is also 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. So actually this is 8,000. So I have to borrow from 8,000. So if you subtract 1 from 8,000, what is the answer? 7999. Okay. So it
Okay,
becomes
ma'am.
7. This becomes 9. This becomes 9. This becomes 9. And this becomes 10. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, understood.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but if like we minus 16 minus 7 and 13 comes, so we have to like I minus 16 minus 7.
16
So
minus 7.
Yeah, my answer came 13. So I'll write it down only, or I'll
Why?
write one up.
Where is it 16 minus 7? Where you're using 16? Here. Here you're using 16 minus 7, right? See, I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, let me explain this question first. Okay, this is 0. I cannot borrow. I cannot take from here. So what I will do? I will take from 70. So I will make a block like this, and 70 becomes 69 because I have borrowed 1 from here, and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 is how much? 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again 6. I cannot subtract 7 from 6. So this is 100. Neighbor is 100. So I will take 1 from here. This becomes 16 and this becomes 99. So 9 minus 4 is how much? No, first 16 minus 7 is how much? How much it is? 9. And here it is 9 minus 4 is how much? How much is it? 5. Okay, and then 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is your answer. Is it clear, Javeria? You were asking something?
To the one, we'll directly put it down.
This one?
No, the last in the hundreds.
This one you are asking? Second question you are asking?
Yeah. The
See,
last.
in this 100 na 100, what I have borrowed from 100 also, because 6 and here 7 is there. I cannot subtract 7 from 6. Okay, so I want 1 from here. So if I take 1 from 100, it becomes 99. Is it clear? So 9, this becomes 99 and this becomes 16. Yeah, Aisha Aga. Okay, once again I'm explaining this now. Okay, just those who have not understood. Yeah, Aisha Aga.
1 second.
Okay, first one also I'm explaining once again. See what I will do. 0, I want 1 from the neighbor. But neighbor is how much? 8,000. So if I take out 1 from 8,000, what is 1 less than 8,000? 7,999. Okay. And I have taken 1 over here. So this first digit becomes 10. If I put 1 over here, it becomes 10. So 10 minus 3 is how much? 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. And 7 minus 6 is 1. And this one, no, nothing is there. It is 0.
It's only 1, ma'am. It will
So
stay
it will
1
come
only.
1. So this is your answer. Is it clear? Aisha Kazi, have you got the answer?
Yes.
Aisha Aga, now it is clear to you? You got it? How much is the answer? You're getting the answer? It's
Ma'am,
not...
we have to take the borrowing
Yes.
from first 7, na?
You have to take it from 7. So either you take it from 7, make it 10, then give it here, then make it 9, then give it here, then make it 9. Or directly you can do like this also, like I have done. Is it clear? This? Yeah, Aisha.
6 minus 7 is not possible. So we will take the one number from the one. Not 6 minus 7 is not possible actually.
So you have to take it from here.
Okay.
Understood?
All the zeros and then.
Okay, you got the answer, na? Okay, so next one also done. So let us move to the
16
next.
minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay. Now so many questions are there. Start doing it in your notebook and give me answer one by one.
Can you go back?
It's okay. Just do this question. You can do it later. You can
Second
watch the
one
recording
answer
and
is
do it later.
45919.
Yeah. First question. First one I am asking you answer. 50,000 minus 42,916.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
Yes. 5,000 may say 1 you will take. So it becomes 4,999. And here it will be 10. No, I'm not giving you the answer. I'm just giving you the method.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I tell the answer?
What is your answer? You have written in chat?
7084.
Yes, correct answer. First one is 7084.
Ma'am.
Now you do.
Ma'am, first one
Yeah.
is 7384, na?
7084, not 384.
Ma'am, it is 384. Acha, it is 6. Acha, oh, it is
What
9.
is this?
Sorry.
50000, na?
This is 5,000, 50,000. So 5,000 में से borrow लिया, it is 10, the last digit. So what is 5,000 minus 1? It is 4999.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am doing the second one.
For first answer, ma'am. 708.
7084
Yes,
is the... Ma'am, I am doing the second one.
Do it.
Don't write the answer down.
Okay. Okay, not writing.
Ma'am, the
Yeah, you
second
write the
answer is...
answer.
Okay, I'm erasing it.
Ma'am, can I tell the second answer?
Yeah, tell me the second answer. Those who have done
56281.
56281. Yes, 56.
Ma'am, can I tell the first answer? For
Yeah.
7084, 7084.
Yes, 7084. First answer. Do the second one. Aisha Aga, did you do the first question?
Ma'am, could you please disable the chat, please?
I am not getting that this thing.
ma'am, you can.
Ma'am, raising the chat.
No, you can disable it.
Ma'am, there's
I
an
can.
option. Yeah, ma'am. Host
Disable
can
chat.
disable the chat.
Okay, let me see where it is. Disable chat.
Ma'am, go in chat and on the other side you will see 3 dots. Click on
Yes,
that so
yes.
you can disable.
That option comes and then that is chat disabled.
Yeah, I did that. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the third answer is 7336.
Ma'am, 55281.
Ma'am,
Second answer.
ma'am, the third answer is 7. Ma'am, second answer 56281.
Just a moment. Second answer is still chat going on.
56281. 56281.
56281. Second answer.
56281 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, you changed the slide.
56281.
Okay, sorry. Okay, second one is 56281. Third one, anyone has got?
Ma'am, me, I got
Yes, what is the answer? Yeah.
7336.
Third one you are telling?
Yes, ma'am.
7 or 9? Check it.
Ma'am, it is Mohammed Saqib, not me.
Yeah, ma'am, 9.
Okay, yeah,
9
it should be 9.
336.
Yes.
9336.
Got the second one answer. 56281.
Yes, 56281.
56281.
Third one.
I'm doing it.
Who is doing fourth one? Abdullah, you are on which question?
Ma'am, I'm doing fourth one.
Ma'am, I'm on second question.
936. Third question 933.
336. Yes, correct. 9336. Aisha Kazi, you are on which question?
Ma'am, I am on fourth Ma'am, question. on Third fourth answer is question.
Good.
7336. I'm
Hamdan, which
doing
question you are
fourth
doing?
question now.
Second, okay.
Fourth
Yeah,
question.
yeah, you are
I'm
doing which
fourth
question?
Fourth.
Ma'am, the fourth
Third answer is 9336.
Ma'am,
Yes.
725.
Yeah, fourth one. Tell me the answer. Fourth one.
fourth one is 22747.
Yes, correct answer. Aisha Aga,
Ma'am,
which
the
question
third,
you are doing?
Ma'am, the third answer is.
Ma'am, fourth one is 2274.
Ma'am, the third answer
Yes.
is 9336.
9336 is third answer. Fourth is 22747. Juveria, which question you are doing? Okay, good. You are getting correct answer. Get it checked. You can announce the answer.
I just did not understand the second one.
Second one, okay. I'm doing the second one. See here what you have to do.
Ma'am, the fifth answer
1 minus
is
0 is
5108.
Ma'am, the fourth
Zero.
answer is 72755.
No, this is wrong. Fourth one is wrong. Check it again.
Ma'am,
This
the
is
fifth
0.
answer is 51083.
Yes, this is correct. Okay, those who have not understood question 2, just see here. 0, I cannot.
Ma'am, question number 4 का answer 22747.
Yes. Okay, let me explain this question. So I will take 20 में से 1 I will borrow. Just wait for 2 minutes. I will borrow 20 में से 1. It becomes 90.
Ma'am, fifth one is
This becomes
910.
10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1. Again, I cannot take 1. So it will become 11. And this becomes 8.
Ma'am, fourth
So
one
11
is
minus 5.
Ma'am, fourth one is 22745.
Just a moment. Let me check it. Fourth one is 22747 or 5? 22747. Hamza, you are doing which question?
Ma'am, fifth one is 91083. Sixth one is 11608. Sixth one is 11608.
Sixth one is 11608.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that is correct. Fifth one is, what is fifth one? Hamza?
51083.
Yeah, 51083. Who had not understood question 2? Is it clear now? Juveria, you are on which question?
And the fourth one.
Fourth one, okay. Hamdan, which question?
Ma'am, seventh one is 2300. Ma'am, seventh one is 23001.
Yes, correct.
See, I am all correct. 810400.
Can you write the first one?
335.
First one, answer you want?
Ma'am, I want fifth answer.
Ma'am, we want to do more
Okay.
sums.
I'll give you one more page is there.
But
Fifth
ma'am,
one is,
Ma'am, 8 one is 7065.
I think time is
7065.
over. Just finish this, huh?
Ma'am, the eighth one is 7065.
Eighth one is, yes, correct answer. Eighth one is
And
7065.
ninth one is calculator no using, please.
Don't use calculator. Huh?
ma'am, he kept his camera off. Maybe he can cheat.
Okay, see, I am on. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
See, I am doing in my book.
Yes, very good. I can see your notebook.
Ma'am, seventh one answer 23001.
Seventh one is correct.
No,
23001.
2300.
I told that only.
Ninth one is 2605.
Ninth one is 26055.
Yes, ma'am. The ninth one is 26055.
Yes.
What is the third one?
Third one you want? 9336.
Ma'am, correct.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, I wrote all.
Ma'am, I want fifth one's answer. Fifth one.
Check your answers. I am writing all the answer. Fifth one you want?
Yes. Five 5105. So sorry, 51083.
083. Okay.
Yes.
And 11608 is the last. This sixth answer.
11
Sorry. 60.
11608.
Okay. So next class I'll do word problems of subtraction.
In addition also, ma'am.
It will be mixed. Addition and subtraction mixed problem will be there.
Ma'am, can you wait? Ma'am, can you wait?
Yeah, I'm waiting only. Tell me when
Ma'am,
to
when is our next maths class?
Saturday.
What is written
Bye, ma'am.
Can I stop sharing now?
Yes.
Ma'am, wait a second.
Ma'am, on the second one, on top of 2.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait a second.
Bye,
Please.
Ma'am, on the second
Yeah, Juveria.
one, on top of 2, what is
Your
written?
full screen. Can you just put it a bit up? Yeah, like.
Just a moment.
the second question on top of 2,
Ma'am.
what is written?
Ma'am, we only have to do.
8, 9,
Ma'am.
10, 7, 2, 8.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
only have to do till 6.
Just a moment, I'm sharing it again. Huh?
Ma'am, we have to do only till 6. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this?
Ma'am, we have to do only till 6.
मैम द पिछले वाला स्क्रीन
Ma'am,
करो
the
ना
second one, what is on top of 2? Ma'am, we only
Top of 2 is 11.
Ma'am,
1 था, then you borrow over, तो 11 हो जाता है.
मैम द नाइन्थ आंसर इज 26056 ना नहीं 055 ना
Yes.
हाँ 055
write the 9th one also.
Yeah, 9th one,
Ma'am, I
26055.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I am
done.
done.
No, ma'am.
1 minute.
मैम सी
Yeah, Batul completed. What is it?
Finished 2.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I did
finish.
not understand the 9th one.
मैम I don't have any calculator also see
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, I did not understand the 9th one.
Finished 2 questions.
9th one, what you have not understood? 12 minus 7, here it will be 9 because 20 may say you have borrowed 1. So here it becomes 19 and here it becomes 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5 and here it is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but see mine. I have no calculators in my lab.
Yes, very good. Okay, Batul, did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see you. I'm just closing it now.
Bye,
I
ma'am.
hope all of you have written.
Yes,
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Care, ma'am. Meet you on Saturday.
the second one is what you have write 56281 or 50281
It is 56281.
oh ठीक है
Okay.
I thought it is 5
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay. Where to
Bye.
leave? You can continue with your work. I'm just finding out. Leave button I cannot find. Yeah. Okay. Stop sharing.